Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy coffee at home. First, always start with high-quality, fresh coffee beans. Grinding them right before you brew makes a huge difference in taste and aroma. For the best extraction, ensure your water temperature is consistently between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This range helps pull out the most delicious flavors without over-extracting bitterness. Pay attention to your water quality too. Filtered water is always a good choice for a cleaner cup. There are several fantastic ways to brew coffee at home, each offering a unique experience. Pour-over methods, like using a V60 or Chemex, highlight the coffee's delicate notes, giving you a very clean and bright cup. If you prefer a more robust and full-bodied coffee, a French press is an excellent choice, as it allows the grounds to steep fully. For those who love lattes or cappuccinos, an espresso machine provides concentrated shots, perfect for crafting your favorite cafe-style drinks right in your kitchen. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to customize your coffee to truly make it your own. Adjusting your coffee-to-water ratio is key. A common starting point is 1 part coffee to 16 parts water, but feel free to experiment for your preferred strength. Don't be afraid to try various roasts, from light and fruity to dark and bold. You can also enhance your brew with a pinch of cinnamon, a dash of vanilla extract, or even a touch of cardamom for an exciting flavor twist. Maintaining your equipment is crucial for consistently delicious coffee. Always clean your brewing devices thoroughly after each use to prevent old coffee oils from affecting future brews. Store your fresh coffee beans in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and heat, to preserve their freshness for as long as possible. And speaking of freshness, if your car could use a little pick-me-up, check out the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly brewed cup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.